Ultimately, life is neither suffering nor bliss. It is what you make it. It's of utmost significance in human life to have this fundamental understanding that human experience is generated from within us. So if what is generated from within us happens to be either pleasant or unpleasant, but we are attributing it to various other life situations, this simply means we are conducting our life unconsciously to a point. We do not know what we are creating. We are not aware of the very experiences that we are creating from within. Being blissful or in a state of suffering is not a natural consequence of your birth or life situations in which you have landed. It is a consequence of the way you respond and experience these situations. This is why karma is very important. To understand the nature of karma, how it is stored within us and how we can use this to our well-being, to make our life into a beautiful experience irrespective of what sort of situations we are placed in. This is what karma means. That means you determine the nature of your response and experience to all that happens to you.